Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominus Mentality. God bless you, all my brothers and sisters, all those who are viewing. God bless you. God bless your soul. Today I want to talk about a couple of things. Number one, what is reality? What is reality? Reality is what you believe it to be. Reality is what you believe it to be. We can argue all day about what we believe is true. We can argue all day about our belief systems, about how we see things, our perceptions, our opinions. These things are all arguable, all debatable, but the truth is your reality is based off your belief. And the reason why I bring this up is that many times people are arguing, debating, fighting over different people's reality, different people's belief systems, what different people may consider to be the truth. And I recommend my brothers and sisters stop arguing and fighting and debating about people's beliefs, about people's reality, about people's truth. Realize that everyone has their right to believe what they want to believe, to see things how they choose to see things. Again, we all have our perception on how we see and view a thing. Instead of, again, arguing and debating, my recommendation is that learn from one another. So someone may believe that Jesus is God. Someone may believe that Allah is God. Some people may believe in whatever they choose to believe in. But instead of arguing, debating, fighting, begin to learn that person, to understand why they believe what they believe. And it's going to be a lot more peace that come out of that. It's going to be more understanding that come out of that, instead of friction and instead of confrontation. And again, there's nothing wrong with being adamant and nothing wrong with being solid on your belief system. So I'm not saying, not to stand on your belief. That's fine. But also don't try to kill other people and crucify other people because of what they believe or what their reality is or what their perception is. And a lot of times our belief systems come from things we've been taught. Belief systems can come from our experiences in life. So there's many different things that may give us the thought process of what we believe. There's a lot of things that may influence us to have certain realities and certain truths. So again, my goal is that we can eliminate a lot of this arguing, a lot of this debating, and a lot of this fighting, and that there can be more unity, there can be more knowledge being passed down. Because that's what's important. What's important is to pass down knowledge so that we can all be more aware and that we can all make better decisions and better choices. Change your thinking, change your life, change your mentality, change your reality, and let's have a Dominus mentality. Quick reminder to all my brothers and sisters, the It's Not Over book will be coming out June 26th. You can order it on Amazon. So get ready for the book release. Again, that's June 26th. You can buy it on Amazon. Tell a friend, tell family, tell loved ones that It's Not Over book will be released. And again, it's going to bless all those who choose to read this book. You will be blessed by it. God bless you. Peace.